Hey everybody, this is Mr. Storm, and today we're going to work on we're going to apply some box model techniques to our web page today. If you'll notice, my text really just butts right up against the edge of my div. That's not something I want. I want to actually fix that, and we would fix that using a padding element, so we can make that padding fix. The other thing I want to fix is the fact that my div, it kind of stretches across the entire screen and it doesn't look great. I want to add some margin there. I want to add some, I want to think about my padding and stuff here. So let's get into it. Now the assignment asks us to apply CSS classes to each of our div elements, which we already did in the last assignment. I was a bit overzealous and did that. I went one step ahead, but that's okay. If you followed along with a video last week, then we've already done this. And then we're going to create some classes, and then we're going to mess around with our divs and make them look good. So let's get into it. So on my header class, notice I have my background color. Let's apply a margin first. And I want it to be auto. Now, the reason why I want my margin to be auto is because I want it to be centered in the middle of the page automatically. So I'm going to set the width, and I'm going to set it to, let's say, 90%. All right, let's run that and see what that looks like. So now my div here in the middle is 90%. And as I shrink my page, it stays 90% and it stays in the middle of my page. That's what I want. Perfect. Now I want to apply the same concept. Hold on, I got to let my dog out. Go. Go. I can't open it wider. She's being difficult. Go. There you go. She thought I was going to shut the door on her or something. Okay, we're going to apply this same concept to this stuff div, or this stuff class that we've already created. We're going to create margin auto, and instead of 90%, let's make it 80%. So it's a little bit skinnier, and that makes it look a little bit nicer, I think. Okay, cool. So that fixes the margins there, but we also need to fix the padding. The padding on the inside, we want to apply some padding here. So in the header, let's apply some padding of, let's say, 50 pixels. See what that looks like. Okay, that gives us a lot of padding, but that's okay. That's kind of what I want. Actually, let's do like 30 pixels. That might be too much. And in our stuff class, let's create some padding. Let's do maybe 15 pixels. Oop, px. Oh, I forgot my semicolon up here. Don't forget your semicolon at the end of your CSS statements. All right, so that's looking a whole lot better. Now notice that my divs now have bled together. I'm okay with that. That actually looks pretty good. I enjoy that. That's a pretty good look for me. Okay. Not too bad. Not too bad. This is looking pretty good. This is looking pretty good. The last thing I want to do is I actually want to add a border around my header. And I want to apply some more advanced border techniques. Let's go back to W3 schools and let's take a look at that border stuff again, because there was a lot in borders. I want to actually do something like this. I want to replicate this idea. So let's do border sides. I want to set my border left style, or my border left style. So let's do border hyphen left hyphen style. Oop. We'll set it to solid. And I want my border left color, and let's make it white. Okay, let's see what that looks like. Ooh, that looks nice. Okay, I really do like that actually. Let's copy this and let's apply it to my stuff class as well. So I have this nice white line going down. Nice. I like that. That looks pretty good. And I actually want to apply that to the bottom as well. So instead of left, let's do border bottom. Let's do that. Ooh, that looks really good too. I like the way that looks also. Okay, so I'm pretty happy with that. Let's see, there's probably one more change I want to make. Let's change the header. So I'm going to do p dot header. Oh no, actually, no, I think that's fine. I'm good here. I'm good here. So let's make sure I've met all the requirements. So we've added some padding and borders and margin. We've changed the height and width of our div elements. We didn't really change the height. Actually, let's change the height of this because it is a bit tall. So let's change our height. And let's change it to 150 pixels. Let's see what that looks like. That's a bit, it's a bit tall. Let's try 75. Let's try 100. That's better. Okay. Alrighty. We've set it so that our div elements will fit on any screen. We played around with different styles. We made 2 custom classes, and our website is looking a whole lot better than it did when we just started working on it last term. Okay, perfect. Well, that's it for me. Make sure you submit your new good-looking website. And in the next week, we're actually going to get into building a brand new website from scratch with design in mind from the very beginning. So you'll be able to add a lot of good CSS to a brand new web page that you're going to build. The next couple of weeks, they're a Power Standards week, so you can really focus on building a new project. All right, that's it for me. See you next time. Bye.